When I joined Amouage, I remember landing in Muscat, smelling frankincense in the airport, obviously, but I remember arriving at the manufacturer and realizing these guys have a proper manufacturer. Like, this is a blessing. Proper manufacturer, and guess what? I will be able to work from that manufacturer. I will not be isolated, in a corporate office somewhere around the world and so on. I will be working with the manufacturer. I will be creating from the manufacturer, from the place where we craft. I think this is quite unique. Even in fashion, you don't see a lot of companies anymore where the studio, the creative studio, is co-located where the garments are being produced. I felt, this gives me the possibility to actually change the way we work and hopefully propose something that feels very unique. When people arrive at the manufacturer, the people who know Amouage, they can be quite surprised about the relative small scale of the workshops. They maybe imagine a big factory, a big place where everything is automatized, and everything is flying around or like going around very fast. The reality is that everything is done by hand. From the mixing, the compounding, the aging, the filtering, but also, the bottling process, the gluing of each accessory on the bottle and so on, everything is done by hand. We were still able to keep, the spirit of this small workshop where everyone knows each other and where actually fragrances have been crafted, I would say, for generations, because today, we can see actually that we have people from different generations of the same family working as artisans at Amouage, which is quite beautiful. It's quite important for us because I think this is what gives the soul of an Amouage product. It's what we call, the idea of human at scale, in a way. This idea of it's possible to build and to grow a perfume business, a luxury business, always keeping it human.